What's up guys, in today's video I'm gonna be unboxing this Patriot pack. It's Fireworks. It comes with 20 fountains, TNT, #1 brand, safe family fun. I got it for $9.99 and it contains the top family favorites. It has glow fuse. Now let's get right into it. Patriot pack. Okay, starting off the small stuff. Flashing fountains, 5-piece. This is really small. Then we have the crystal fountain. Next up, Blue Fury. There's the fuse. Next, some more flashing fountains. This one has 8 pieces. Exclusive. Next, Sunshine. This was a little bigger than the other ones. Then we have Red Hot, another exclusive. Then starting off, we have some bigger ones. Resolution, Fuse, another, this one's the same size, Trojan Warrior, exclusive. And the biggest one, the grand finale of the assortment, Pyro Fan. This one has a glow fuse on it. You see, it's a different color fuse than all the other ones. The fuse looks gray, and all their other fuses are green. And that's all for that assortment. Celebrate safely with state-approved fireworks. And it looks like if you join the Fireworks Club, you get free stuff. That's it for today, guys, with this assortment. A safe family fun. Oh, there's some pictures what the fireworks look like. Looks fun. Here's all the fireworks from the assortment lined up. Looks like this will be a fun one. I'm gonna demo off these items in a later video. And I am out.